Joey. And the race is on. Yes, Joey from the outside, moving up by the red Solar Power. We're also rushing up Silver Glides. Moving up is Security Check alongside is Loretta. Red Lotus, yes, Joey racing 7th position. Famous Girl down in 8th, rushing up Sugar Free. Entry number 5, Bangge and Tricky Charlies. Is the early trainer Haywire Solar Power is running down on the inside, nearing the last 600. Haywire Solar Power, entry number 7, Red Lotus. Security Check. Yes, Joey is now running in 5th by Darrell. Sugar Free racing in 6th by Sam Tulangs. AY by Sam Tulangs. Solar Power, Red Lotus. Yes, Joey taking the 3rd spot as they race the final corner. While yes, Joey, Red Lotus down on the inside, Solar Power, Sugar Free, and nearing the finish line. Hayward, yes, Joey rushing up by Darrell and Solar Power, but yes, Joey is now the leader, and finally, yes, Joey, Haywire, Solar Power, Sugar Free, Red Lotus. And for your Super Sais, number 5, Bangge.